Altitude convergence, the radar has locked on the ground.
Yes.
Standing by for lander separation.
Carrier interruption on Marco Alpha and Marco Bravo.
Lander separation commanded. Altitude 600 meters. Gravity turn, altitude 400 meters.
We're getting there.
300 meters. 200 meters. 80 meters. 60 meters. 50 meters, constant velocity. 37 meters. 30 meters. 20 meters. 17 meters, standing by for touchdown. Touchdown confirmed.
Just erupted.
Fabulous, fabulous.
And to the Marco team there.
You did great. Tim Preiser, one of the key designers of Lockheed. Sandy Craft, what a great team. This is really fabulous.
Fantastic news. Lots of fist pumping going on in there. What a relief. We've cut over to the camera over in Times Square. Boy, people are weathering the rain to see this.
They can't help it. This is the hardest part. Getting this thing is very hard. This thing has a lot more to do, though. There's a lot more to go on both today and the days that follow before the science can begin. But just getting a vehicle from Earth to the surface of Mars is no mean feat.
And Rob, could you talk about that? I mean, just the mere accomplishment here that we're seeing.
You have to understand that this vehicle is very complicated. It uses 12 engines. Each of those engines are pulsed 10 times a second, producing these little tiny impulses, almost like little bullets that keep the vehicle going at a constant velocity as it and it goes to the Deep Space Network. There's also something that might be happening now if we're very lucky. But if that doesn't happen, we'll certainly get more images later in our Odyssey pass in about 5 hours.
We see Bruce Banner waiting for it.
There they are.
I don't know if they see it yet.
They're waiting. That's Justin Mackey and Bruce Banner looking carefully at the cameras to see what they might see. You're waiting for the image to come back.
So this is the first image from InSight itself. InSight is taking a picture with one of its two cameras.
Yes.
It's probably a view of what's directly in front of the spacecraft, right in front of the lander. This is a camera that it would be using to figure out, is this a good space? Is it a good place to put down our instruments? So it is going to take an image and send that image to the Marcos. The Marcos in turn will relay it back down to Earth.
That's correct. They got it. Oh, now. I don't see a lot of.
Let's explain that image. Now, this image has a dust cover on top of it.
EDLCom, we have lost the signal for Marco.
You can see potentially a lot of.
Radio science
A lot of debris that might be on the camera.
for UHF.
So we don't know what I'm looking
Thank
at.
you, everybody on EDLCom.
Yay, Marco! MRO is flying overhead, recording the data, also monitoring the transactions and recording every bit of the job is done. They're now flying on. They're now taking pictures back toward Mars. Hopefully, MRO, which flew overhead, might have been lucky enough to capture the descent of this InSight lander under its parachute. While this was going on, MRO was flying overhead, recording the data, also monitoring the transactions and recording every bit of signal it could. But it also had the ability